Hello, everybody. This seems to be the week for my German company analysis. I am sharing some consideration on Beiersdorf this week. The German maker of Nivea, La Prairie, Eucerin, a big international company, strong company with strong brands, but with relatively weak results. As a matter of fact, the recent top line results are flat and there is no growth momentum at all, and consumer trust is shifting. So they need to find some resilience, but they also need to be able to turn around the situation and drive growth. As a matter of fact, what is happening right now is that Nivea is losing ground and is losing market share quite rapidly to CeraVe, which basically means that with the price increases, brands familiarity, which is traditionally, and we hear in a lot of categories, is really an important weapon for companies. But brand familiarity is not working in this case. They are losing ground, and they're losing ground fast, a bit for the lack of innovation, and probably needs to be seen as well in the combination of price packs and the pack architecture of some of the products in those regions. On a positive note, they're doing well with Eucerin and Aquaphor, which grew over 12%. They are performing well and outperforming a slowing market. So this is very good news. They have a very strong innovation pipeline and a very strong execution as well. So when Beiersdorf wants, they haven't lost their edge. And this is very good news for the company. Also on a regional scale though, but medical skincare is doing well. Of course, La Prairie is suffering, as a lot of brands in the luxury goods are suffering right now, especially because of the volatility in China, in general, because of the weakness in the luxury market. So, what can really buyers do? For Beiersdorf, it's really back to the basics. Focus on the fundamentals and look at the strong consumer insight and on data, and focus on demand spaces. What are the spaces where volume is actually moving to in terms of occasion, price, and pack size combination, and focus on those. And on the other hand, they need to really drive innovation on Nivea, which was one of their strongest outfits in the past. They really were a much more innovative brand than they are now, and they need that shine to be back. This is my assessment of Beiersdorf. Let me know, guys, what you think. Of course, this is not investment advice, but if you have any questions or any comment, please write a comment to this video, and we can take it from there. Have a good day. Bye-bye.